Are you and your friends running low on food? So you go to kill some cows to get some food. You go to smelt it, but it just takes too long. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an infinite food farm with minimal materials. Start by grabbing these materials. Start by digging long 3 blocks. Place your chests like this. Place a hopper connected into the chest. You can always drop an item into the hopper to make sure it works. You want to place 2 glass blocks above the chest and then build around it with your building block. Gonna leave a hole there. Just go place your dispenser there. Go behind, put your lava bucket in there, and then put a button on the side of the dispenser. So build up one more layer. Then you want to place a trapdoor on the block, like this. But you want to leave it open. Then you want to go place a dispenser right next to it like that. And build up 2 more layers. Put a water bucket in the dispenser and put a button on the side. Build up around again, 1 more layer. And then you're going to have to get the cows in, but once you get the cows in, you'll see the cows stay standing. When you use wheat, you can only breed 1 because of the hitboxes. So when you do the water, you can breed the cows. You can hit both of them. But I accidentally, opened the trapdoor. So I tried to fix this, but it was quite annoying. Just had to kill the cows. Anyway, you can see there's a baby cow there. If the trapdoor was open, he would fall down. So we'll just place 2 cows here again. And see the baby cow. Once the baby cow has grown, you can come over to the side, press the lava button, and then press it again very quickly. And then you have your steak. The more cows you have in the top, the faster it does, but yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.